Meditation is a practice that has been shown to offer numerous benefits for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are some of the key benefits of meditation in more detail. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation can help lower levels of stress and anxiety by calming the mind and reducing the production of stress hormones. This can lead to an overall sense of relaxation and well-being. 2. Improves sleep. By promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, meditation can also help improve sleep. It can also help with sleep-related issues such as insomnia and restless sleep. 3. Boosts mood. Regular meditation can help boost mood and reduce symptoms of depression by increasing the production of feel-good hormones such as serotonin and dopamine. 4. Enhances focus and attention. Meditation can improve focus and attention by strengthening the connections between neurons in the brain. This can lead to improved cognitive functioning and better decision-making abilities. 5. Increases self-awareness and emotional regulation. Meditation can help increase self-awareness and emotional regulation by helping individuals understand and manage their thoughts and feelings more effectively. 6. Boosts the immune system. Research has shown that regular meditation can have a positive impact on the immune system by increasing the number of antibodies and activating the body's natural defense mechanism. 7. Alleviates chronic pain. Meditation can help manage chronic pain by reducing the perception of pain and promoting relaxation. 8. Improves heart health. Meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve heart health by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. 9. Promotes a sense of inner peace. Regular meditation can help individuals develop a greater sense of inner peace and well-being by promoting a sense of calm and reducing negative thoughts and emotions. 10. Deepens spiritual connection. For some individuals, meditation can deepen their spiritual connection by promoting a sense of inner peace and helping them feel more connected to a higher power. Overall, meditation is a simple and accessible practice that can offer numerous benefits for physical, mental, and emotional well-being.